BJMP, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Pwede po natin tanggalin ngayon.
If your rule allows, please do so.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ma'am, isusort in mo siya. Hindi ka kasama.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Thank you.
Madam Chair,